which you want to gather. So I would wish Sir a hearty welcome from the department. At the same time, I wish all of you a very great interactive session as well as a lecture session today. Thank you all.
Good morning, everyone. Respected distinguished guests, esteemed faculty members, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to lecture, but a meaningful exploration into the richness of India's intellectual heritage, a heritage that continues to guide modern education, business, ethics, and sustainable living. This talk will help us to understand the relevance of traditional knowledge in modern times, the revival efforts in education and policy, the practical applications in contemporary society. He is presently at Giljananda Chaudhary University, Guwahati, and he is also Associate of Management, Guwahati, and later dedicated more than 3 decades of exemplary service to the Department of Accountancy at Guwahati Commerce College. Generation of the students from 1993 to 2024. He has also served idol, contributing significantly to academic leadership and administration. Dr. Banik is not only an HOD sir, Mr. Kalul Bhattacharya, to kindly felicitate our esteemed speaker with a Fulang Gamusa as a token of our respect and gratitude. Thank you, sir, for graciously accepting to deliver his enlightening talk on Indian knowledge system, relevance, revival, and contemporary applications. Sir.
We have to be clear about it. But in this 1 hour presentation, it is not possible to cover up everything. But to some extent, I'll be able to give you some knowledge. At least you can start it. Now, can you come to me? Please come to me. I'll be talking to him something. What's your name? Nimandar. What's your age? 19. Okay. What are you studying? Okay. Please listen to both of us. Now, you have studied since KG1, A, B, C, D like that. Suppose in this 19 years, I just cut off your experience of last 5 years. Then your age will be 14. And from 14 years till today, what he has learned, I'll rub it from his brain. Suppose what he has learned last 5 years only, I'll cut off. I'll rub off. Okay? Then what will happen to you? Can you tell me? What did you do at the age of 14? You were studying class 10. Is it only what we are teaching today? Knowledge of accountancy, knowledge of history, or knowledge of chemistry? Is it only knowledge of 100 years back? That is modern. 200 years back. This is modern. And this knowledge did not start 100 years back. As I told you, 10,000 years back, 12,000 years back, proofs are there. And at that time, the knowledge that started, you can say that is wisdom of civilization. Indus Valley civilization and many other civilizations you can see in history. So knowledge started that time. If you cut off the knowledge, what was there before 200 years back, if you cut off, the same thing will happen. What I told you, you cut off your life experience last 5 years and start now. So that connectivity is essential. That's why Indian knowledge system is essential. But then, as I told you, it's a beautiful thing I made here, but I cannot show. Any teacher can come and have a look here. Just what I made for all of you. See, so beautifully I made it. All points I put it here. Huh? Beautifully I made this thing by Unfortunately, I cannot show you now. It's not possible to show you. Please, খুব কষ্ট হয়েছে চিওরিবল মনে কথা না। Have you any paper or subject which teaches you how to manage your life, how you can stay fit mentally? No, nothing. But these were there in past. This is very much relative. Okay, see, আমি টিচারবিলাকে এতিয়া পঢ়াওঁ নেকি কলেজত, স্কুলত, ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিত, যে হাউ টু কিপ ইউৰ মাইণ্ড ফ্ৰেছ, হাউ টু deal with problems of life? No, but they are absolutely essential. And these were there in past. In past, these were there. You also know it. Then, at that time, another knowledge of society, one knowledge of self. You have to know yourself. Who teaches you? You do you teach it? Do you teach it? I teach it. Colonel said no. We teach accountancy. We teach economics. That's much only. That only. But at that time, we cannot exclude that. We are living in this knowledge system. We have to accept it, learn it, fine. But think of past also. In past also we had good things. I had some comparison between the two. No need. I'm cutting. Then okay. So in Rig Veda there is a sloka. Rig Veda before Mahabharata. I'm just mentioning one small sloka. This is Sanskrit. At that time Sanskrit is the language. Ano bhadra kito yontu vishwata. Let me tell you the meaning. This sloka is written in Rig Veda. How many Vedas are there? 4. Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajurveda, Atharvaveda. So at that time it was written, this Sanskrit you did not understand. Let me translate. Then you'll find the relief. See, at that time it's called, let noble thought come to us from all directions. 7,000-8,000 years back, our Munirishis wrote it. Let knowledge come from every place. Isn't it? So how can you cut off our past? How can you cut off your past and ignore your past? You can't. But you have to be intelligent enough to think what to take, what not to take. In past we had philosophy, we had metaphysics. Hey, by the way, I want to ask you one question. Who discovered law of gravitation? Bolo? Huh? Newton. Isaac Newton. Right? It has been researched and discovered that কথা না পাতিবা নিউটন সবেই জানে নিউটন নিলিখলে মাৰ্ক কাটিব মই যেটো কম এটো মাৰ্ক কাটিব মই তথাপি কৈ আছো তুমি ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰিবা ইট ওয়াজ রিটেন ইন বেদা 8,000 years back বেদত লিখা আছে কি লিখা আছে জানা সংস্কৃতত পৃথিবী আকর্ষয়তি is already written. So that time Indian science was so developed but we were cut off. In Vedas, it was written 7,000-8,000 back how sheep can be made. Those details are given. But for some reason it is cut off. 1,000 years or especially last 200 years, India was disturbed by foreigners. But India is the winner all over the world. What? Education, agriculture, cooking, fitness, everything was taught. It was a complete human being was made by the Guru at that time. Now it is not there. So what is the effect? You are learning only accountancy, only economics, only something. And then at the age of 18, 19, many students I have seen they are suffering from diabetes. Many students are suffering from blood pressure. Many students are suffering from depression. Before I end up, please remember, I have to share one sloka. Time comparing মানে আমরা শর্টকাট করি তেওঁলোকৰ ভাল লাগিব আচ্ছা so Indian knowledge system was interdisciplinary. Interdisciplinary means you learn this also, this also, this also, this also. Some of my friends, when they saw me going to gym, they say, "Oh, you are a student of accountancy. You go to gym also." I learned music. Music it's common to everybody. Krishna said, "Paritranayo sadhunam." Those people who are good, they will be protected. Vinashaya dushkitam. They will be going to jail. People doing evil things, bad things will go to jail. Very simple. At that time also, now also. Both. Guitar ite nai. Out of na just তোমাকে ভালো লাগে ওখানে টাইম কম আছে তোমাকে একটা মই ভুল ভাঙাই দিই এটা শ্লোকা শুনিবা দেই কোনোবাই কবাচোন তাৰ মিনিংটো কি कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्थ मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर भूर्मते संगुष्ट अकर्मणि. Anybody knows the meaning? Please, any teacher, one line only about the meaning. One line. No, I'm not testing you. You help me. Asho. Yes. कर्मण्य वाधिकारस्थ. Everybody listen. कर्मण्य वाधिकारस्थ मा फलेषु कदाचन. Please, I'll be very happy. Please join me.
The meaning as far as I can get it. Do your duty and don't expect a result. You should do your duty in the best possible thinking and the best possible way, and the result will automatically follow. The process should be good, result will follow. That much.
This sloka started beautifully explained. Now, এই শ্লোকাটো কোনে কোনে শুনিছা এনি ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ কৰ্মণি বাদ কৰাস্তে মা ফলেষু কদাচন এইটোৰ মিনিং তোমাক ঘৰত কোনোবা শিকাইছে কেতিয়াবা মা দেউতা আইতা কাম কৰি যোৱা ফলৰ চিন্তা নকৰিবা কৈছে কাজ করে যাও ফলের চিন্তা করবে না কইছে কাম करके चलो फल का चिंता मत करो কইছে do your work don't think of the result কইছে বলল স্যার ও স্টুডেন্ট কাম করি যাও ফলের চিন্তা নকরিবা ওকে ট্রান্সলেশন কাজ করে যাও ফলের চিন্তা করবে না ওকে काम करते चलो फल का चिंता मत करो ओके do the work don't think of the result okay today I am challenging this translation is taught to all of us and Colossa this is absolutely wrong let me prove it no what you said is correct what now listen only 5 minutes left last 5 minutes काम करके चलो फल का चिंता मत करो दिस इज रॉन्ग एंड दिस इज टॉट टू ऑल ऑफ अस मैडम दिस वे काम करके चलो फल का चिंता मत करो लॉर्ड कृष्ण नेवर सेड अर्जुन कि फल का चिंता मत करो मिसा কথা কোয়া নাই because Duryodhana also did not think of the फल का चिंता and he was problem and if this is correct then our commerce management production future budget everything will stop agar फल का चिंता मत करो someone told me he came from America it's a business conference yes
I said that if the process
to be correct
if the process is correct
okay that's fine suno then in the international conference I said listen interesting only 5 minutes left please listen at least this one if it is said that काम करो फल का चिंता मत करो this is wrong translation let me prove it I'll not live without proving and if फल का चिंता मत करो then our budgeting planning everything will be meaningless and the budgeting planning is not outside Gita Krishna কি কইছে মই কই দিও কৃষ্ণ কইছে কাম করা কামত তোমার অধিকার আছে ফলত তোমার অধিকার নাই হেতুই কইছে চিন্তা নকরবা কেতে কোয়া নাই নো চিন্তা কর্তব্যম কত কোয়া নাই মিছা কথা এটা কৃষ্ণ কইছে ইউ হ্যাভ রাইট অন দ্য ওয়ার্ড You don't have right over the result. এইটো কৈছে not having right and not thinking একে কথা নাকি? I may not have right over the result, but I can think. अंजाम क्या होगा अगर नहीं सोचने से तो कुछ नहीं होगा ना बर्बाद हो जाएगा चिंता करबा কথাটো নাও শুনা কৃষ্ণ কিয় কৈছে মই কওঁ এই যে পাষ্টৰ নলেজ আজি কিমান ৰেলিভেন্ট এইটো দি প্ৰমাণ কৰিম আৰু আজি এক্সপেক্ট নকৰো ইয়াতে এইটো দি মই আজি এন্ডিং কৰিম এইমছ দিল্লী তাতে ডক্টৰ কিছুমানে ৰিচাৰ্চ কৰি আছে how the cardiac patients can be cured by using Gita sloka. You may not believe it. One is medicine, other is this sloka. I'll explain this sloka before I leave. See, কামফলের হেতু ভুল মতে সন্তুষ্ট কর্মণি মানে কামত তোমার অধিকার আছে ফলত তোমার অধিকার নাই চিন্তা করবে না করা করিবা তো চিন্তা ফলত চিন্তা করিলেহে বেয়া ডিসিশন নলবা কৃষ্ণ কৈছে you should be স্থিত প্রজ্ঞ means person of steady mind because in life in management in workplace you take lots of decisions if your mind is not steady then you take wrong decisions anything when you take wrong decisions and start doing the work you cannot come back that's a but if mind is steady, mind is clear, these things you learn from IKS. And many other things. If you have a innumerable. So, if your mind is steady, mind is settled, mind is controlled. You see, when you do something here, so now, in this lecture, many people thinking something else. If you cannot control your mind, you cannot do anything. Because M cube, my formula, mind matters most. C cube, my formula, concentration matters most. Mind matters more, concentration matters more. How can you control your mind, etc.? Will come from IPS. Modern technology has to be there. These things will add flavor and put you in the trait right. Like Arjuna was a failed hero. At the beginning, was a failure. Krishna gave him mantra, sloka, advice, and he again became this. We all of us need Krishna, whatever dharma or religion you belong to. But we all of us need some sort of life. Someone like Krishna who advises us, who gives us guidance in life.